નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, જીપીએસસી સીડ ઓફિસર ક્લાસ 2ની પ્રિપરેશન માટે એસટીએયુ એમસીક્યુ સિરીઝની શરૂઆત કરી છે, જેનો ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ છે એગ્રોનોમી, એગ્રોન 1.1, ચેપ્ટર 1, યલો રિવોલ્યુશન રિપ્રેઝન્ટ હાઈ પ્રોડક્શન ઓફ ઓઇલ સીડ. મિલ્ક માટે વ્હાઇટ રિવોલ્યુશન, ફિશ માટે બ્લુ રિવોલ્યુશન, વ્હીટ માટે ગ્રીન રિવોલ્યુશન. White revolution represent high production of milk. Cultivation of plant in a soil is known as geoponics, while cultivation of plant in water is hydroponics, and cultivation of plant in air is aeroponics. Cultivation of plant in water is known as hydroponics. Green revolution represent high production of wheat. Cultivation of plant in air is known as aeroponics. The word agronomy is derived from two Greek words. Agron means soil and nomi means cultivation. Total geographical area of India is 328.85 million hectare. Total geographical area of India is 19.6 million hectare. Greek word agros meaning field. Agriculture is considered as mother of all agro-based industries. India is the largest producer of fruit, and according to 2023 માં ફ્રૂટ અને કઠોળમાં ઇન્ડિયા સેકન્ડ રેન્ક ઉપર છે. Production is the protected from natural calamities in industries. Decision making is a mental skill. ICR is established in 1929. Jethro Tull is considered as father of zero tillage. JU Gujarat Agriculture University is divided into 4 agriculture university in 2004. Indian Agriculture Research Institute is popularly known as Pusa Institute. In Kautilya time agriculture, cattle breeding and trade were grouped into science. It is called Varta. Central Institute for Dryland Agriculture, CRIDA, is located at Hyderabad. Central Arid Zone Research Institute, Kazri, is located at Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Optimum time of sowing for most of summer crop is January-February. Optimum sowing time for most of Rabi crop is October-November. Optimum time for sowing of most of Kharif crop is June-July. India receives most of rain from southwest monsoon. Gujarat is divided into 8 agroclimatic zones. India is divided into 15 agroclimatic zones. Gujarat is included in 13th agroclimatic zone of India. Wheat is an example of cool season crop, and wheat is known as temperate crop. Example of warm season crop is rice, and rice is a tropical crop. Early maturity and resistance to lodging are character governed by internal factor. CO2 content in atmosphere is 0.03%. CO2 content in soil air is 0.3%. Most of the plant grow best at 50 to 30 degrees Celsius. Most of plant grow best at 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity of 40 to 60% is suitable for most of the crop. The rate of chemical reaction may be double or even more for every 10 degrees Celsius increase in temperature is known as quotient 10. Water represent in an atmosphere in the form of invisible water vapor is humidity. Injury to plant caused by lifting upward of the plant along with soil from its normal position in a temperate region is known as having. Attraction of two similar kind of molecule is cohesion. Plant require less than 10 hours of illumination is known as short day plant. attraction of soil particle for water particle is known as adhesion. જ્યારે ડિસિમિલર પાર્ટિકલ હોય ત્યારે adhesion, સિમિલર પાર્ટિકલ હોય તો cohesion. Green plant contain 90% of water which maintain turgidity of plant cell. Vibrio is a photosynthetic active radiation. CO2 gas is important for photosynthesis while O2 gas is responsible for respiration. Plant require more than 12 hours of illumination is a long day plant. Loss of water from plant leaf is known as transpiration. From soil surface it is called evaporation. Organic matter improve porosity and water holding capacity of soil. The response of plant to relative length of day and night is known as photoperiodism. Injury caused to plant due to high temperature is a heat injury. Injury caused to plant by low temperature is a chilling injury. Minimum, optimum and maximum temperature of individual plant is called cardinal temperature. Minimum, optimum and maximum temperature of individual plant is known as cardinal temperature. Temperate crop prefer high temperature at maturity. Tropical crop prefer high temperature during early stage. Evapotranspiration increase with temperature but decrease with high relative humidity. Light regulate the opening and closing of stomata. The length of day has greater influence than light intensity. Tomato is an example of day neutral plant. Red light is a favorable for plant growth. Evapotranspiration increase with increase in wind speed. Wind help in pollination of flower. CO2 gas is important for photosynthesis and O2 છે respiration માટે important છે. When legume and cereal are grown together, mutual benefit result in higher yield. The effect is known as synergistic effect. Oxygen gas is important for respiration. O2 is important for respiration. RGR and NAR is increased with increase in wind speed. Moisture range between field capacity and wilting point is known as available water. Germination is inhibited in the absence of O2. Rice require low level of oxygen. CO2 accumulated in poorly aerated soil which is detrimental to root. Maximum absorption of water by root take place between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Soil organic matter is less in arid soil. Soil organic matter high in humid forest soil. Organic matter is the source of food for microorganisms. Azospirillum, Azotobacter and Rhizobium fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. Blue-green algae fix atmospheric nitrogen in a rice field. Most of the plant nutrients available at neutral 7 pH. At low pH એટલે acidic condition હોય ત્યારે phosphorus get fixed into the soil. Earthworm help in aeration and drainage of soil. Evaporation decrease with increase in wind speed. Precipitation include all form of water falling from atmosphere such as rainfall, snow, hail, fog and dew. Condensation of water vapor present in air or cool night is known as dew. Low and uneven distribution of rainfall is common characteristic of dryland agriculture. Distribution of rainfall is more important than total amount of rainfall. Plant growth is maximum at optimum temperature. Plant growth is maximum at optimum temperature. When relative humidity is more than 80%, there is high chances for infestation of disease and pest. Soil is caused due to high wind speed erosion. Soil erosion is caused due to high wind speed. More than 70% of solar radiation absorbed by plant is converted into heat. Striga is the parasitic weed of sugarcane, sorghum, bajra, and maize. Atmospheric nitrogen is fixed in soil by lightning, microbes, rainfall. Answer all of this. Region where temperature remain low throughout the year is mesotherm, while megatherm when temperature is remain high and in મેગાથર્મમાં ટેમ્પરેચર હાઈ હોય એટલે એને મેગાથર્મ ને મિઝોથર્મમાં જ્યારે વિન્ટર હોય ત્યાં ટેમ્પરેચર લો હોય બાકી હાઈ થઈ જાય એટલે એ મિઝોથર્મમાં આવશે અને માઇક્રોથર્મમાં ટેમ્પરેચર હંમેશા લો રહે છે. Dark grey color of the soil due to clay humus complex. Red color of soil due to presence of ferric oxide. Soil serve a natural medium for plant growth. The soil behavior is mainly due to nature of parent material. Alluvial soil are formed by transportation in a stream or river and are deposited in flood plains along with coastal belt is alluvial soil. જ્યારે નદી ભેગી જે માટી આવે એને આપણે alluvial soil કહીએ છીએ અને એમાં જે નવી alluvial soil હોય the new alluvial soil it is called ખાધર and which is sandy in structure and has light color. અને જૂનો કાપ હોય તો એને ભાંગર કહેવાય. Old alluvial soil which having more amount of clay and dark in color it is called bhangar. Alluvial soil are high in potash content. Most important છે alluvial soil માં potash content સૌથી વધારે હોય છે. The most extensive soil found in India is alluvial soil. Black soil hold more moisture and available for long time. Swelling and shrinkage are typical characteristic of black soil. Red color of alphy soil due to presence of ferric oxide. Red soil have low CEC and water holding capacity. Red soil are always acidic in nature. Leaching of all cation leaving Fe and Al oxide is known as laterization. Red soil are rich in organic matter, while red soil is acidic in nature. Soil with good tilth is quite porous and has free drainage up to water table. Black soil is most suitable for cotton cultivation. Desert soil has poor fertility and water holding capacity and is susceptible to soil erosion. Red soil has low CEC and water holding capacity. Intercultivation helps to check soil evaporation by breaking the microcapillaries. Alluvial soil is the most extensive soil type found in India. Saline and alkali soil are called problematic soil. Alkali soil contain higher amount of sodium. Red soil is always acidic in nature. Excess tillage result in oxidation of organic matter. Tillage operation carried out before sowing of crop is preparatory tillage. Tillage up to 15 to 20 cm depth is known as medium tillage. Harrowing is done to crush clod and to uproot the remaining weed and stubble is harrowing. Satellite planting is adopted in Gujarat for cotton and groundnut cultivation. Tillage operation done in standing crop after sowing and prior to harvesting is a aftercare. અને જ્યારે લેન્ડ લેવલિંગ કરીએ એટલે એ ઓફ સિઝન ટીલેજ થયું. Interculturing serve as a moisture conservation measure by closing deep crack in black soil. Interculturing serve moisture conservation measure by closing deep crack in black soil. Earthing up is the main operation done in tuber crop to provide more soil volume. Leveling is an essential operation in irrigated farm for uniform distribution of irrigated water. The optimum range of soil moisture for effective ploughing is 33%, but optimum range of soil moisture for effective ploughing is 60% of field capacity. The tillage operation that is done in a land with standing water is puddling, જે રાઇઝમાં કરવામાં આવે છે. GB Triplett is known as father of modern tillage and zero tillage ના father પણ GB Triplett છે. Puddling create an impervious layer below the surface to reduce deep percolation of water. ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટિંગને ઇઝી કરવા માટે પડલિંગ કરવામાં આવે છે. ધ એક્સ્ટ્રીમ ફોર્મ ઓફ મિનિમમ ટીલેજ ઇઝ ઝીરો ટીલેજ. યુએસએમાં કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું. સમર પ્લાવિંગ હેલ્પ ટુ રિડ્યુસ રન ઓફ એન્ડ ઇન્ક્રીઝ ધ ડેપ્થ ઓફ સોઇલ મોઇસ્ચર. The good soil structure can be obtained by tilling the soil at optimum moisture. Tillage help in destruction of weed and insect pest. If organic matter of soil is reduced, the bulk density is increased. When organic matter is reduced, bulk density is increased, while જેમ સોઇલ પોરસ થાય એમ બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય છે. બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી અને એના બે વચ્ચેનો કોન્સેપ્ટ જોઈ લેશું. તો બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી it is called volume weight. It is determined by multiplying PD by volume of solid. એટલે બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી જે મિનરલ સોઇલની છે એ 1.33 ગ્રામ પર સીસી છે. એટલે બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી છે પાર્ટિકલ ડેન્સિટીના હાફ હોય છે. બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી મિનરલ સોઇલની છે 1.33 ગ્રામ પર સીસી અને ઓર્ગેનિક મેટર છે એની બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી છે 0.5 ગ્રામ પર સીસી. પછી બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી સેન્ડી સોઇલ છે એની 1.4 થી 1.75 ગ્રામ પર સીસી અને બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી ઓફ ફાઇન ટેક્સચર સોઇલ એટલે ક્લે સોઇલની બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી છે 1.1 ટુ 1.4 ગ્રામ પર સીસી છે. હવે સેન્ડી સોઇલ છે એમાં બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી છે એ હાયર હોય ક્લે સોઇલ કરતાં અને જ્યારે એમાં ઓર્ગેનિક મેટર આપણે એડ કરીએ તો બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી ડિક્રીઝ થાય છે. એટલે ઓર્ગેનિક મેટર ઇઝ ડાયરેક્ટલી ઇન્વર્સલી પ્રોપોર્શનલ ટુ બીડી અને જેમ સોઇલ કમ્પેક્ટ થતી જાય એમ બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી છે એ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થતી જાય. સોઇલ વિથ લાર્જર પોર સ્પેસ એટલે જેટલી પોર સ્પેસ વધારે હોય એમ બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી છે એ ઓછી થાય અને ટીલેજ ઓપરેશન છે એ પણ બલ્ક ડેન્સિટીને ઓછી કરે છે. એના પછી નેક્સ્ટ છે puddling destroy the soil structure which is necessary for transplanting of rice seedling. Land leveling is considered as off-season tillage. Paired row arrangement is generally followed to accommodate intercrop. The plant population of base or main crop will remain constant in paired row planting. Viability is the important character of seed quality. Breeder seed has higher genetic purity કેટલી તો કે 100%. સર્ટિફાઈડ સીડમાં 99.5% જેનેટિક પ્યોરિટી હોય છે. સર્ટિફાઈડ ફાઉન્ડેશન સીડમાં 99.5 અને સર્ટિફાઈડ સીડમાં 99% જેનેટિક પ્યોરિટી હોય. The certified seed is sold to farmer for sowing purpose. The normal time of sowing for temperate crop like mustard is October-November. Dry sowing is adopted in a black soil. Distance between two rows is known as interrow. The removal of excess plant from thick or dense plant population is known as thinning. The depth of sowing depends on seed size. The shape of land available to individual plant to grow is known as crop geometry. The shape of land available to individual plant to grow is known as crop geometry. Broadcasting method of sowing result into random geometry. Generally, the area devoted for nursery is 1/10 of the total area. Seed rate is higher in broadcasting method of sowing. Planting material used for tree like subabul and eucalyptus is known as sapling. The process of putting seed or seedling in a gapy field to maintain optimum plant population is gap filling. Bigger sized seed is known as bold seed. Nursery transplanting help in growing more number of crop in intensive agriculture. Sugarcane is planted in furrow and trench. Upper limit of available soil moisture is field capacity, and a green plant contain 90% of water which maintain turgidity of plant cell, and a lower limit is વોટર પોટેન્શિયલ પણ નોર્મલી ઘણી જગ્યાએ પરમાનન્ટ વિલ્ટિંગ પોઈન્ટ આપી ગલાવતું હોય છે અને પરમાનન્ટ વિલ્ટિંગ પોઈન્ટ પણ આનો સાચો આન્સર છે એટલે એકવાર તોય તપાસી લેવું. લોઅર લિમિટ છે એ પરમાનન્ટ વિલ્ટિંગ પોઈન્ટ છે. એના પછી વોટર પ્રેઝન્ટ ઇન મેક્રોપોર વિલ બી ડ્રેન ટુ સબસોઇલ ડ્યુ ટુ ફોર્સ ઓફ gravity. Soil dry due to evaporation and transpiration. In transpiration, water is lost from plant through stomata. Most important critical stage for wheat is CRI stage. The method of irrigation most suitable for arid condition is drip irrigation. Water supply at pressure in a drip irrigation method. Drip irrigation method is also known as trickle irrigation method. Sprinkler method of irrigation is useful in frost control. Conservative use of water is approximately equal to climatic need of water. The method of irrigation resulting into high water use efficiency, drip irrigation. The method of irrigation suitable for water scarcity and salt affected soil is drip irrigation. In a sprinkler irrigation method, water is applied at the rate less than infiltration rate of the soil to avoid runoff. જ્યાં સુધી ઇન્ફિલ્ટ્રેટ ન થાય ત્યાં સુધી આપણે સ્પ્રિંકલર આપીએ. જો ઇન્ફિલ્ટ્રેટ થઈ જાય તો એના રનઓફના હિસાબે પાણી બગડે. એટલા માટે જ્યાં સુધી ઇન્ફિલ્ટ્રેટ ન થાય પાણી ત્યાં સુધી આપણે એને પાણી આપીએ છીએ. System is a set of elements or components that are interrelated and interacting among themselves. Subsistence is an important objective of mixed farming. Cropping system represent cropping pattern used on farm. One crop is sown with 100% plant population in pure stand is the best crop in additive series. While in replacement series, both crop are called component crop. Continuous production of one or same crop year after year or season after season is a monocropping. Mixed cropping is a common practice in most of dryland tract of India. Dryland tract છે એની અંદર મિક્સ ક્રોપિંગ કરવામાં આવે છે ઇન્ડિયાની અંદર. Raising of crop with regrowth is rotooning sugar caneમાં કરવામાં આવે. The space between two rows is known as LA. 4 crop sequences are followed in Gangetic LUL plan. When rainfall is more than 750 mm, that interculturing is followed. હવે વીડ સાયન્સનું છે ચેપ્ટર 10. તો જેથ્રો ટુલ યુઝ વર્ડ વીડ ફોર ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ. Samagrass is an annual weed. Bhoypatri is a biennial weed, while dharo is a perennial weed. Almost all weeds that belong to family Gramini are grasses. Almost all weeds that belong to family Cyperaceae are sedge. ગ્રાસેસ ને સેજ આ બે મોનોકોટ છે, પણ જે સેજ છે એની અંદર જે સ્ટેમ છે એ ટ્રાયંગ્યુલર શેપમાં હોય એટલે, અને બીજો ડિફરન્સ એ છે કે 2,4-Dથી સેન્સિટિવ હોય, જ્યારે મોનોકોટ છે એ રેઝિસ્ટન્સ હોય 2,4-Dથી, અને સેજ છે એ સસેપ્ટેબલ હોય છે. ઓલ ડાયકોટ વીડ આર નોન એઝ બ્રોડ લીવ વીડ. મૂવિંગ ઇઝ અ કટિંગ ઓફ વીડ ટુ ધ ગ્રાઉન્ડ લેવલ. ચેઇનિંગ is used to control aquatic weed. Chemical used to destroy weed તેને herbicide કહેવાય છે. Weed control through prerequisite for zero tillage is herbicide. Black layer formation near sorghum grain attachment coincide closely with cutoff of assimilate translocate at physical maturity. Bleaching of peduncle beneath in ear is seen in some variety of bajra at maturity, physiological maturity. At physiological maturity, green pod are turned into brown color in મૂંગબીન and gram. ફિઝિયોલોજીકલ મેચ્યુરિટી થાય ત્યારે ગ્રીન પોટ છે બ્રાઉન કલરમાં ચેન્જ થઈ જાય. કેમાં? તો કે ગ્રામ અને મૂંગબીનમાં. નાઇટ્રોજન કન્ટેનિંગ fodder grasses vary from 2 to 3% in initial stage. Moisture content for safe storage is 40% of most of the crop. Moisture content of grain at the time of harvesting is 18 to 20%. To overcome the problem of high moisture in the rice grain, powdered common salt at 5 kg પ્રતિ 100 kg of grain can be mixed. એટલે એક મણની અંદર 1 કિલો નાખીને આપણે હાઈ મોઇસ્ચરથી બચાવી શકીએ છીએ. Producer are green plant capable of making their own food. Consumer of animal that cannot make their own food. Decomposer break down waste product and dead organism for food. Conversion efficiency from primary consumer to secondary consumer, એટલે herbivore to carnivore, tend to be much lower, averaging about 1%. The unit of energy flow through the food chain is Kelvin calorie per meter square per year. Agron 1.2 આપણે નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં જોઈશું. થેન્ક યુ.